So it's my birthday today. I turned 28 at 10 past 10 in the morning on the 12th of December. So 12, 12, 10, 10. Very difficult to forget. I also won 2 awards, which is amazing. I wanted to just let you know or remind you, maybe teach you for the first time what it takes to be a main character, because I'll tell you what, I feel like a main character today, goddammit. You know, I feel very special. And it's a simplicity, but also you can look into it and see that it's deep. The simplicity is do what you're doing. Do what you're doing. This means remove distractions. This means do not jump onto something else because it looks appealing. This means rest when it's time to rest, work when it's time to work, and then also work when it's time to rest sometimes, whatever. But the idea is you're building momentum. It's a snowball. I'm now multi-award winning, and I want to make it crazy. Like, you guys will see in the new year, like, freaking, if there's an award to be won, I'm there, goddammit. You know? I might not win gold every time. The awards that I got were like a silver type or like a silver or bronze. But I'll tell you what, if I enter 100 awards, god damn it, I'll win something. And yeah, it's, you know, the promised land comes towards you, it inches towards you with each day of discipline. Every single day I fall asleep. I fall asleep from exhaustion. I fall asleep because I'm so tired that I can't work anymore. The last time I watched a movie, I don't know when. The last time I played a video game, I don't know when. And it's also because I've chosen a path in life which is actually my path. I've always been a creator, I've always been an artist, I've always been someone from this type of realm. And photography has been the best type of art that I could do. And I'm in my element. So part of being the main character is simply being in your element. You need to do what you're supposed to do and not what someone tells you to do. And the very key thing that you should do, right? Especially as people around you panic and flinch and so on and so forth, because it is not in the nature of a human being to be brave. What you need to do is do what you're doing, do what you're doing, do what you're doing, do what you're doing. And when you stop doing what you're doing, inevitably, because you're a human and part of our nature is to vary and change, when you find yourself not doing what you're doing, you need to bring yourself to doing what you're doing. To whatever extent, you could crawl, you could run, you could fly. But if you're doing what you're doing in a particular direction, if you're doing what you're doing, everything will align and you'll be the main character. If not today, then one day. And that's the tutorial, how to be the main character. Hire me for photos if you're in Zimbabwe. Hire me for photos if you're outside of Zimbabwe. Ask for fine art photography. I do everything, goddammit. Subscribe to the channel.